Hello, everyone. Welcome to PD Day. I know some of you have been here for most of the morning in jumping in our PD sessions. But if you're just joining us today, maybe over your lunch break, we're so glad to have you. We're so glad you could attend. And I'm excited that you're here for Flexible Math, Increasing Students' Number Fluency. This is our PD Day is being put on by the Professional Development Network. We are here to inspire adult education, and we are a part of the ICCB. My name is Amber Fornaciari. I am the Math Resource Specialist for this state. I work for the Central Illinois Adult Education Service Center, which is part of the Professional Development Network. That might be a new term for you, the PDN, but all three centers that are presenting today are now part of the PDN. And so that's you'll see that name on more and more as we come out. A few notes for us today as we move along. A reminder about the Excellence in Adult Ed website. This website serves as the PD portal for Illinois adult educators. We encourage you to visit this site regularly for important information about adult education professional development. If you click on this center box here titled Professional Development, you'll see a link to PD tools. There's a lot of valuable information on this website, but I think there are two things I want to point out. Number one, at the very bottom, you'll see the pink text there that says, want to know about the latest PD opportunities? Click here to join the email list. We send out emails at least one a week about new things or upcoming things that are coming to the PDN and PD opportunities or updates to PD opportunities, and that's a great place to find out about those things. Also, you can check our website. Our website is also a great source of information. Also on the website is our brand new PD guide. Now, the PD guide is one of the most valuable tools you'll find. It's a professional development guide for Illinois adult educators. And this tool is intended to help teachers design their professional development plan each year. It contains a targeted list of PD appropriate for different categories of teachers, and it will be updated regularly, so check it often. We hope this PD guide will make your life a little easier as you try to identify professional development that is relevant and interesting to you. So make sure you visit the PD portal website and check out the PD guide. The last thing I want to mention is that we are on social media, and this has been, I've been a part of the committee that has put this together, so this is very near and dear to my heart. So if you haven't liked us on Facebook yet, go do it. Or on Instagram, we are on both. You can follow us at Illinois ADED-PDN. And please share that with your adult education friends. We're hoping to, of course, not only update you on PD offerings, but also just provide another networking community for our Illinois adult educators through social media. So find us on Facebook and Instagram. I hope to see you there. So a few of the objectives that we're going to cover today. I'd like you to contribute to a discussion about fluency. What is it? How do we use it? Is it just for math students? And then also contribute to a discussion about mental math strategies. We are going to do a little bit of math. So I really hope that that's okay. Put your math hat on. If you're eating your lunch, that's okay too. I promise it won't be anything too earth-shattering, no rocket science here, but we are going to be doing a little bit of math. It's helpful as math teachers to experience what it's like, right? Some of these strategies. And so sometimes that requires us to submerge ourselves. I promise, nothing too threatening. We're also going to discuss number talks and using them in the classroom, different ways to use them in the classroom. If you've heard me speak on number talks before, I have a few new resources for you, so hang on with me. Also, we're going to use an example of estimation to develop number sense and see how you can replicate that in the classroom. And then making connections between fluency and high-level math skills. I've done a great deal of research on fluency recently, on its impact on high-level math skills, and I'm hoping to share some of that information with you as we move through. Well, so the first part of this is going to be, what is fluency? Let's define it. So I want to ask you, what do you think fluency is? If you were asked to define fluency, what would you say? Or what comes to mind when you think of fluency?